Wi-Fi 7 is now here at Microcenter, and it's faster than Wi-Fi 6E. Get your new Wi-Fi 7 router and motherboard now. Oh wait, I should probably explain what Wi-Fi 7 even means. You're probably familiar with Wi-Fi, or wireless fidelity, which is the use of radio waves to provide wireless networking and internet access to the wide range of devices in your home, such as desktops, laptops, phones, smartwatches, video game consoles, smart home equipment, and even refrigerators. Since the inception of Wi-Fi, there have been vast improvements in speed, reliability, and the amount of devices that can connect to a Wi-Fi network, and Wi-Fi 7 is the next step in that evolution of wireless technology. Wi-Fi 7 will supersede the recent Wi-Fi 6E, and it builds off of the features from Wi-Fi 6E. Let's break down those features. Just like Wi-Fi 6E, there's 3 frequency bands available on Wi-Fi 7: 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz. These bands are ranges on the radio spectrum that are designated for wireless transmission. The lower on the gigahertz frequency, the better the object penetration, or the ability for the radio waves to go through solid objects, such as the walls of your home. These 3 bands offer 3 different levels of object penetration, with 6 GHz providing the best speeds in a line of sight to the router, but it has lower object penetration, and 2.4 GHz providing slower speeds, but better object penetration. Each of these bands will have channels, with the 2.4 GHz band made up of 11 channels of 20 MHz each. The 5 GHz band with 45 channels that can combine to create 40 MHz or 80 MHz channels, and 6 GHz band with 60 channels. Those 60 channels in the 6 GHz band on Wi-Fi 7 can be as wide as 320 MHz, doubling the 160 MHz width of the Wi-Fi 6E. So what does this all mean? Think of the data that you transmit from your router to your device as a car, and the width of the channel as a road. A single-lane road can only support a small amount of traffic, while a multi-lane highway can support much greater traffic. The wider the channel, the more lanes for traffic and the more data you can transmit. Wi-Fi 7 has a higher QAM, or quadrature amplitude modulation, which is the method of transmitting and receiving data in radio frequency waves. If there's a higher QAM, there's a higher amount of data that you can transmit. Wi-Fi 7 also has multi-link operation, which can combine several frequencies across several bands into a single connection. This means your Wi-Fi 7 device can connect to a Wi-Fi 7 router across 2 or more channels in different bands at the same time, enabling wider channels capable of transmitting more data. The higher QAM and multi-link operation means you can achieve higher speeds while cutting down interference. Wi-Fi 7 also allows for even more devices to be connected at the same time, which is perfect for the crowded home with multiple televisions, computers, mobile devices, gaming consoles, all running at the same time off the same network. This will allow for all of these devices to run simultaneously without having to wait in line to transmit and receive data from the Wi-Fi 7 router. Now, obviously, not all the devices currently in your home are Wi-Fi 7 right now, but a Wi-Fi 7 router will be backwards compatible with older Wi-Fi devices, though you will be limited to the speeds with that Wi-Fi device. So if you're using a smart fridge with Wi-Fi 4, you'll be limited to Wi-Fi 4 speeds, which is still pretty fast for a refrigerator. All of this is to say that Wi-Fi 7 is the next best thing when it comes to wireless internet connectivity. Microcenter currently has Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices, such as this motherboard, which works with Intel's newest 14th generation CPUs, and they are all Wi-Fi 7 ready. Qualcomm and Apple are expected to roll out support for Wi-Fi 7 in the next lines of their mobile chips. And we have Wi-Fi 7 routers available at your local Microcenter. So when you're ready to upgrade to the latest generation of wireless internet speeds, we'll be here for you. Be sure to subscribe for more information. And if you made it this far in the video, remember to comment #IWantAMicrocenter near me.